Hello, everyone.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for listening while you are studying, working, relaxing, or drinking a nice cup of coffee.
Today's topic is very interesting.
That's right. Today, we will talk about my first day at work.
Have you ever started a new job?
Maybe some of our listeners are starting a new job soon.
Or maybe it is their first job ever.
Don't worry, we will learn useful English words and phrases together.
Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy learning English with us.
Your support helps us make more easy English lessons.
Great. Let's begin. Arriving at work. Donna, do you remember your first day at work?
Oh yes, I remember it very well.
How did you feel?
I felt excited.
Excited?
Yes, excited, but I was also nervous.
That's normal.
Very normal.
Many people feel nervous on their first day.
My hands were shaking a little.
Really?
Yes, I was afraid I would make mistakes.
Did you make mistakes?
Of course, everyone makes mistakes.
That's true.
But I learned from them.
Let's practice a useful sentence.
Good idea.
Repeat after me.
This is my first day at work.
Slowly.
This is my first day at work.
Excellent. Meeting new people.
When I arrived, I met my manager.
Were you nervous?
A little.
What did you say?
I said, "Hello, nice to meet you."
Very good.
Then my manager introduced me to my coworkers.
How many coworkers?
About 10 people.
Wow, that's a lot of names to remember.
Exactly.
Did you remember everyone's name?
No, not at all.
That's okay.
The next day, I forgot some names.
That happens to many people.
Let's practice another useful phrase.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Again.
Nice to meet you.
One more time.
Nice to meet you.
Very good. Learning the workplace. What happened next?
My manager showed me around the office.
Around the office?
Yes,
Like a tour.
exactly.
What did you see?
I saw the meeting room.
Okay.
I saw the kitchen.
Very important.
Yes, very important.
Why?
Because that's where the coffee is.
Ah, now I understand.
Then I saw my desk.
How did you feel?
Happy.
Why?
Because I finally had my own workspace.
That's nice. Did your manager give you instructions?
Yes.
Were the instructions easy?
Some were easy.
And some?
Some were difficult.
Did you ask questions?
Yes, many questions.
Good.
When you don't understand, ask questions.
That is important advice.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Could you explain that again?
Again.
Could you explain that again?
One more time.
Could you explain that again?
Excellent phrase.
Very useful for work.
Did you make any funny mistakes?
Oh, yes.
Tell us.
One time, I walked into the wrong meeting room.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
Everyone looked at me.
Oh no.
I said, "Sorry, wrong room."
That's funny.
I was embarrassed.
But now you can laugh about it.
Exactly.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Especially on the first day.
What did you do at lunch?
I ate lunch with some coworkers.
Was that helpful?
Very helpful.
Why?
Because I got to know them better.
What did you talk about?
We talked about food.
Everyone likes talking about food.
That's true.
What else?
We talked about hobbies.
Nice.
And favorite movies.
Let's ask our listeners.
Good idea.
What is your favorite movie?
Think about your answer.
Can you say it in English?
Try now.
Did you feel more comfortable later?
Yes.
When?
After talking with my coworkers.
Why?
Because they were friendly.
That's nice.
They helped me when I had questions.
A good team makes a big difference.
Absolutely.
Let's practice another phrase.
I need some help.
Again.
I need some help.
One more time.
I need some help.
Very useful. What happened at the end of the day?
I felt tired.
Very tired?
Very tired.
Why?
Because I learned many new things.
That's understandable.
But I also felt proud.
Proud?
Yes,
Why?
because I finished my first day successfully.
That's wonderful.
Even though I was nervous, I did my best.
And that's what matters.
Let's review today's useful phrases.
Great idea.
This is my first day at work.
Nice to meet you.
Could you explain that again?
I need some help.
Let's say them one more time.
This is my first day at work.
Nice to meet you.
Could you explain that again?
I need some help.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope you learned some useful English expressions.
Remember, making mistakes is okay.
Mistakes help us learn.
Keep practicing English every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Before you go, tell us in the comments.
Have you ever had a first day at work?
How did you feel?
Were you excited?
Were you nervous?
We would love to hear your story.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English conversations.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.